everyone, it's so good to see everyone again. Today we're gonna make pork belly char siu, or in Mandarin we call it char siu. It's gonna be super tender and super juicy. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. Let's get started. We're gonna do some preparation work the night before. Here I have about 2 pounds of pork belly, and we're gonna use the fork to lightly staff the pork. This will help to tenderize the meat and at the same time help it to develop more flavors while marinating. To marinate the pork, in a bowl, we're gonna combine the red bean curd. This is what gives char siu its red color. Zhuhou paste. Oyster sauce. Soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Rose cooking wine. You can also replace with other type of cooking wine. Sugar. 5 spice powder, white pepper, and garlic. And we're gonna whisk. Transfer the pork belly to a large Ziploc bag. And pour in the marinade. Try to squeeze out most of the air from the Ziploc bag and seal it. So here's the fun part. You can just massage and rub the marinade all over the meat. I find it pretty interesting. And now we're going to transfer the bag into the fridge and let it marinate for overnight. Flipping it about halfway through. This is the next day. We're going to roast the pork. Yay! We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and position the baking rack in the middle of the oven. And we're going to line a roasting pan with aluminum foil for easier cleanup and place a roasting rack on top of the roasting pan. Remove the pork from the Ziploc bag and place it on the roasting rack. Now we're going to reserve the marinade and we'll use it later. Transfer the roasting pan to the middle rack of the oven and roast for 30 minutes. So now we're going to remove the roasting pan from the oven. And we're going to brush the reserved marinade sauce all over the pork. And flip the pork. And brush the marinade sauce on this side too. Now we're going to return the roasting pan back to the middle rack of the oven and roast for another 30 minutes. In the bowl, we're going to add some honey and warm water and whisk. Remove the roasting pan from the oven and brush the glaze all over the pork. Flip the pork and brush the glaze on this side too. Now we're going to return the roasting pan to the middle rack of the oven and roast for a final 20 minutes. Remove the char siu from the oven and let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing it into bite-sized pieces. So delicious. This is like juicy and tender meat on the inside, and on the outside I love the char taste. And I have a question for you actually. So between the leaner char siu and also the one that has more fat on it, which one do you like it better? So for me, I love the one with more fat on it because I feel like it's more tasty. But on the other side, my husband, he always enjoyed the leaner ones. So comment below and let me know your opinion on this. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday for another really amazing video. I like to also stay in touch on Instagram, Facebook, and also YouTube.